Hey, I'm Dave with countersneezeguards.com, and today I wanted to show you what you could expect when you receive your counter sneeze guard at your home, your office, or your shop. You're going to get it in a nice box like this, and everything's going to show up safe because we pack these things well. So we've got corner protectors, we've got bubble wrap. We're going to get this thing set up super fast for you. So when this shows up to you, it's going to have a translucent liner on it, just like this. So here's your opening down at the bottom. You've got your sides. Then once you get this and you set it up, all you need to do is grab a corner and pull this off. You can see I didn't prep this one here. There we go. And that's it. There may be a couple little shavings there. You can just dust them off and they'll be fine. So this is your counter sneeze guard. This is our standard size, 5 inches high, 10-inch wide opening. Your top here is 24 inches. Up and down, you've got 31 inches, and each wing is 11.5 inches deep. This can allow you to cover, at a narrow thing, a 24-inch wide countertop, or wider. These can go out to 40+ inches and still be stable against people bumping into it, to keep your frontline workers safe and to keep your visitors, your customers safe as well, and give everybody some peace of mind. So this was Dave from Counter Guards and countersneezeguard.com. We appreciate you stopping by. Please give us a call. We'd love the opportunity to help. Thanks.